In this tutorial, we will provide an overview of how to use the RightHire assessment system. Getting started. Once you register as a new employer, verify your email address and sign in to the assessment system. You can start using the platform. Purchasing assessment credits. First, ensure you have assessment credits available, as indicated in the top right corner of the screen. If you don't have any credits, you'll need to purchase them. Click on the Payments link in the left sidebar. On the Payments page, choose either the Pay-as-you-go plan, specifying the number of assessments you want to purchase, or the Annual Subscription plan, specifying the number of employees you currently have. Click the Pay button to make the payment. Once the payment is successful, assessment credits will be automatically added to your company's account. Creating an assessment template. With assessment credits available, the next step is to create an assessment template. Click on the Assessment Templates link in the left sidebar and create a new template. For pre-built templates, the process is straightforward. For custom templates, you will need to invite subject matter experts, SMEs, in your company to provide job analysis ratings. Once these ratings are provided by one or more SMEs, mark the assessment template as complete. Creating and managing assessments. Next, create an assessment using one of the templates you've created. Each assessment is valid for 9 weeks from the creation date and expires afterward. You cannot invite candidates to complete an expired assessment. To invite candidates, either use the assessment link from the drop-down menu next to the assessment or click on the Candidates button and invite candidates using their email addresses. Reviewing candidates' results. As candidates complete their assessments, you can review their results. Each candidate will receive a thumbs down, a single thumb up, or 2 thumbs up rating. We recommend not moving forward with candidates who receive a thumbs down rating, and certainly moving forward with candidates who receive a 2 thumbs up rating. For candidates with a single thumb up rating, decide on a case-by-case basis whether to move them forward.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check Lifetime Deal link in the description below.